everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to play Omen. Let's go over his abilities. The first one is going to be Shrouded Step. Basically it's Teleportation. Wherever you can see, wherever that thing pops up on, you can teleport over there. Then you've got your Paranoia, which is basically a flash. You've got your Dark Cover, which is your smokes, which you'll have to place like this. Or if you want to press R, you can have this view. Obviously, I would suggest to do this. This is like way better.
Shadows traveling.
And then you've got your final, the ultimate, which is from the shadows. It basically teleports you around the map.
Watch them run.
And if you press X again, you can cancel. Don't forget that. That is very important. I've seen a lot of people, even in higher lobbies, that never played Omen, and they just don't press X again, and they're like teleporting in front of 5 guys, and then they get shot in the head. Now, I'm going to be doing a quick little, spike diffuse to show you guys how to play Omen. Well, the basics, obviously. Intermediate level, and the higher levels, you're going to have to figure it out on your own later on. Now, let's clear out this first area. We're going to smoke right here.
Cover going out.
Flash this corner, because there's always someone on this corner. We got our first kill. No one seems to be in that corner. Well, someone was in that corner. Now, I did die, because I played that very stupid. But, basically what I wanted to do was use my ultimate at the end here. But unfortunately, I couldn't do that, because the guy was standing right here. I've never seen the bot stand right here, honestly. I've always seen the bot stand here, here, or in this corner. That's a first for me. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.